So here's how my door currently closes. You can see there's about a 1/2 inch of drop there. And then when it closes, she's pretty good. She's still low though. And typically this is a bushing problem. See that? So when I go up front and I look, hello wife.
Hello husband.
I go up front and I look and I see new bushings and new pins. So what's the problem? I don't know, but we're gonna find out. Let's go ahead and knock these pins out, and we'll take a look at these bushings and see what we got. So I don't know if we got the wrong bushings. I'm trying to hold that door, make sure it doesn't go anywhere. Now the door, the front fender is off, so you know it makes it a great time to do this. You can do this with the front fenders on, but you can probably imagine it's a lot easier to do with it off, because you can just close the door and it'll stay put. So that's an aftermarket pin. Usually guys will just change the bushing because the pin, the factory pin, is so much better. Anyway, so you just unlock the door, pull it back, and in she comes. So come in here and take a look. Your bushings are always on your door side. I don't know. I don't see anything that he's done wrong. Looks all right. I'm gonna swap them out because I'm here, but I really don't feel like I have to. But I got new pins, I got new bushings. So we'll just do it and we'll see how it reacts to it, I guess. So the thing is with a lot of these old GMs, these Novas in particular, is they'll take the same bushing on the bottom one and then the top two, and then for the top of the bottom hinge takes a thicker bushing. And I'll just pull all these out first before I put any in. I'm kind of hoping he just had the wrong bushings in. I'm hoping I change these out and things are just good. Okay, so they're switched. Let's throw her back on.
Okay.
Wow.
Got some. Okay, you tell me. Open the door.
Nope. Whatever you do, do not open the door. Okay, so that should work there. All right, I'm just gonna throw a little WD on the pin here.
So it slides better?
Yeah, maybe it'll go in a little bit better. Okay, now let's try the same thing on the bottom. Just give her a little lube. Can you see down there? Okay. And we're still dropping the exact same, so was not the pin. That means we have to adjust the door. And these are weld-on hinges. And we got a weld broken here. Makes me believe maybe somebody's already tried to adjust this. Okay, so as you can see now, we're looking much better than we were. No big drop at the top there, right? Just straight in and out. It's good. It's good there. If anything, we might be down 1/16 of an inch here. Nothing I can't live with, you know what I mean? I'd love to say we put the bushings in and it fixed it, right?
Right.
But
It wasn't.
no, it didn't work. So we end up getting a jack and a block of wood. We put it underneath the door. We just kept bringing it up because these are weld-on hinges. There's no adjustment. See that? There's no adjustment on the door. There's no adjustment on the car. Whatever you got is what you got. I was really hoping that he had the wrong bushings or pins or something in there, and that's why it was dropping down, but it doesn't matter. Because they were new, they came out like nothing, and you know, this was good too. When I put the block of wood under, just make sure you go under this part, not underneath the sheet metal here, but underneath the door itself. And just block her up and she'll bend and twist and everything's good. But you'll want to make sure you have good pins and bushings if you're going to do that. If you're doing that with bad pins and bushings, you're probably just going to wreck your pins and bushings. Right?
Okay, Mr. Shortcut.
Okay. All right. I'll do it for you.